How to delete Yoursafe account. Log into your Yoursafe account on their official website. Navigate to the account settings or profile section. Find the option for close account or delete account. Review any outstanding balances or transactions in your account. Clear any remaining balances by making necessary payments. Confirm there are no pending or scheduled transactions or subscriptions. Look for a delete account button or link. Click on it and follow the prompts to initiate the deletion. Provide any requested information or reasons for closing the account. Confirm your decision to delete the account. Your Yoursafe account will be successfully deleted after completion of steps. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.